Yeah, so I'm Casey Seaton, Officer Seaton, new to the department. So I've been with IMPD, graduated the academy in the summertime. It's now January, so about half a year on the street, including FTO, which is what we call our field training period. So you're out and about, going district to district, run to run, different training officers that have been on a while and know a thing or two, grabbing some experience, being very focused on your work. And so after that, I've been out on the street, I guess, for about 3-4 months now going on. I come from a background of law. I'm a lawyer by training before I worked community development. And I also ran a free fitness group downtown. November Project was what it was called. And so I kind of started to realize over time, I really respected these officers that I would see in these meetings and whatnot, going to community meetings for different things at the Children's Museum or at the park or at the MLK Center, and really respected who I was speaking with and wanted to emulate a lot of the work that they were doing. And so I figured between the fitness background, the law background, and the community connection, that kind of, you wrap those three things up, that's kind of a ideal police officer. So I wanted to attempt to live up to that ideal. So that's what brought me on and what brought me specifically to North District. Lots of things are surprising. I think it's more the human condition and the contradictions of people are surprising. Maybe it's not a surprise, but it's entertaining is the wrong word, but it is definitely interesting. We'll say that. It is always interesting. Different runs, different people. The thing that is maybe most surprising about a big city police department is just the level of interesting human activity you see on a daily basis. It's like a front row seat, for better or worse. I understand that it's people's lives we're talking about, but it's a front row seat to some of the most odd, intriguing, harrowing, it's a combination of human factors all thrown into a single day throughout one shift. So it's pretty neat. There's always something that comes of it every single day. Make sure that you know your area before you decide that you want to work IMPD. Make sure you know something about the city. Make sure you know something about its history, about the people that live here, beyond the people that just look like me or beyond the people that just look like you or whoever it may be. Get to know, get uncomfortable, dig in, understand the good, the bad, the indifferent about the city. Really be able to have a connection to people, organizations, be able to communicate with people fairly effectively. Those are skills that I think that you need as a fundamental basis to coming on board to work as any police officer, but especially in a big city where you've got such a diverse crowd. You grow so much in this job from the day you step in, where you're nervously doing push-ups in a suit and tie for reasons you don't understand, to going through and building the trust between yourself and the academy staff, to then starting over again in the field training portion, doing that same sort of I don't know what the hell I'm up to out here sort of thing, all the way to I feel very confident in my work and on these runs. And they do a good job of getting months and months worth of training experience in for officers. And that's something, from what I understand, having just worked on one department, that's something very unique to IMPD. I think it provides a great transition period, and it also provides a great opportunity for officers generationally to grow as they see what a good officer looks like or who they want to aspire to be like.